Yeah, I'll take those.
They're very cool. Good.
The Cure.
Okay, I got one for both, men and women. Okay. Why are all the blondes on top of the roof?
Just want to give you a little heads up, the first minute of this video is going to be a little dark. This is a yard sale I've been going to for the past couple of years, and the owners invited me out about an hour before they opened up, but there's already about 10 people there when I got there. Good morning. How are you? Good, how are you? Good. Yeah, this morning? Guess I did, huh?
Yeah. Because they live off of old folk, or old Lakeland. And it's green. And when it's cold, like, after you can
I don't know how good these are, but all kinds are.
Oh yeah, absolutely, I'll take them.
And this is the weekend.
The weekend, yeah. How much you asking for Rock Band?
What's that?
How much you asking for that?
$100.
100 bucks?
I guess she says it's a complete set.
Weekend. Little Wayne, that's cool.
Your stuff right here.
Vintage comic book for $1. Oh, look at this jacket. Don't be drinking a Jew. Yo. That's cool. Oh, okay, perfect. What I'm about to say is going to sound really weird, but vintage underwear from the 70s and 80s that's new can sell really well. Also, vintage socks, especially like the tube socks, can bring really good money on eBay. So if you see them out and about, pick them up because they always sell extremely well. What do you have on this?
I don't know.
Okay.
Ask.
Do you know if it works?
Let's ask.
Okay, ask the boss lady.
I just put shit out now. I'm the hired labor.
Yeah.
For free. VCR. $5, it does work, no remote.
It does not have a remote.
Okay, and then what about these?
$3.
These Harley boots would have been a great pickup for $3. I didn't realize though that they were re-glued on the bottom of them.
Some old stamps in here. These are some old scars. There's more stamps. They're kind of cool. I don't know where they're here, these. I don't know if one of these or not.
Yeah. I'm just putting it on the table. Little fall stuff. So many Walkmans.
There's nothing in it. It's just the case.
Yeah, it's cool. It's cool though. How?
Did you want this or not?
Let me see this one.
Disney.
I'll take this one.
Okay.
My wife might want it.
Okay. What were you gonna say?
I forget.
How do you something?
It'll probably come to me in a minute.
Okay.
It's just in my mind.
No worries. Yeah, I'll just...
Hendrix. Guns N' Roses. Men's Smalls. What is this? Harley Davidson? The Cure? Little Dirk? Pink Floyd? Man. Green Day? Did these come from personal collection or did they come from the lady that you get stuff from?
That's from the lady.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you know if they're authentic at all?
I don't know about this one.
Yeah, 'cause
I would no this one. I think that's fake. This is real.
Okay.
This is a fake.
Yeah,
that was mine.
I could when I touched it, I was like,
yeah, no, that's
yeah.
that's a fake. This is old, but it's got some stains on it.
Oh, is that
And
new
it's really
though?
cool.
That's
Yeah,
cool.
Yeah, it's got. I think those would come out if
Yeah.
someone washed them.
15. I mean,
yeah.
this is what? This is Walt Disney World. So they started what 1970?
I think there's a
72?
Would it say 15-year anniversary?
Yeah, so 72.
Yeah.
So it'd be what? That'd be 87.
Yeah, I like it because it's a ringer shirt.
Yeah,
You don't see those
yeah.
much anymore.
Oh, I didn't get that far yet. Yeah, I'll take those.
They're very cool. Good morning.
Yeah, thank you. Those camel.
This was actually came from my husband's family. It's an Indiana pacers, but it's single stitch. It's old.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Thank you.
Good morning.
Best yard sale ever. Get a personal shopper as I shop.
This is cool. Look at that.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Isn't that wild?
That is absolutely wild. These are so cool with like the old advertisements on them.
I know, aren't they?
These are cool. This one's really cool. That's
I
from
know,
the
isn't that-
that's from the movie.
I don't even know
Yeah,
what it is.
it's actually a movie from the 90s.
Just give me 155.
Okay.
For all this.
What the heck? What are these? These are super cool. I didn't even see these. Totally missed these.
Oh, you missed those. Thank you.
What are they? 12?
Just take it for 10. Oh, I'm so sorry.
Thank you.
No, those
They're
are
brand new. Good morning.
Hey. About time you showed up.
I was stuck at the neighbors down the road's house right now first.
Oh, you're good. Clock in before, you know.
Yeah. Pyrex. You got a ton of vintage old pots and pans and stuff today.
Yeah, we do a lot of house cleanouts.
Oh, gotcha.
Stuff like that. So mainly I'm a carpenter, but
Yeah.
I got to get rid of the stuff before I can carpenter.
Gotcha. So you just save it, save it, and then put up for yard sales and stuff like that.
Yeah.
What do you have on the Pyrex stuff?
The three bowls, I could probably let them go for like 75.
Okay.
They're about three and a quarter for the set of three. And everything else we can negotiate.
Okay.
If that's something you're interested in.
Yeah.
I mean,
One of my favorite things to pick up at yard sales that people always overlook is remotes. Stay away from the cable box remotes, but the ones that go for like home theaters can do really well. This one usually sells between 40 and 50 bucks. How much is a remote?
$2.
$2. Okay. Do you know if it works at all?
What's that?
Any idea if it works?
No idea. No guarantees.
No problem.
Which I have no idea why.
I'll give you another 10. And that way.
How much is the wallet?
$5.
$5. And the watches?
$10.
$10 each. Sorry about that. Perfect. Thank you guys.
Thank you, man.
See the chair? Do you have any video game stuff?
I have an Xbox One. The Xbox One.
What are you asking for that?
$50.
Does it come with games at all and stuff like that? Or?
Modern Warfare,
Modern Warfare?
and it has 2 controllers.
Should we do it? Xbox One?
Vital there. Let me
Yeah.
get the cords and
Okay.
everything.
Yeah, I'll swipe. I'll clear it off too. So.
Let me get.
Yeah.
This one should be good.
All right. This should be a power cord then for it.
Yeah, no, I'm gathering.
Oh, okay. Awesome.
I got a monitor as well.
Yeah, I don't need a monitor.
All right, cool.
Appreciate it. How old are the watches? Do you know? Would,
I don't really know, to be
gotcha.
honest.
Okay. Were these all purchased from the Michael Kors store?
Yes. I've had them for a couple years.
Yeah, I noticed the batteries. None of the batteries are working
Yeah.
on them.
I mean, I'm willing to negotiate if you really want it. I'm trying to get rid of everything. If you want them for $5, I'll give it to you for $5.
$5 a piece?
Sure.
I'll take I'll do $5 a piece.
All right.
Take them all for you then. Make it easy.
Might as well.
I need to get out of here, man. I keep spending money. There you go. What's your Gatorades? $1? $1. And then here's your tip.
What did you say?
I'm gonna take a red one. Thank you. Morning.
Morning. I know you.
You know me?
Put the baby at the shower.
Yes.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm like, wait a second. What did you do with those other two? Oh yeah, the fish one. I was like, wait a second. I know that one. I googled that.
Oh yeah.
150. That's vintage. That's collectible. Oh no. Like certain ones, I.
How much is this one here?
Which one?
I mean, what is this on your thing?
$5. $5.
I film my yard sales when I go out and about. I have a channel. I have a show on YouTube.
Oh, I started. So he's a professional wrestler.
Yeah.
That's how I originally met him on. We were fighting.
She won, obviously.
That's
Look
why-
at her. I mean, she won. I mean,
took him down in 30 seconds.
I thought we said we're not going to talk about that. You know,
that's
now
right, I
yeah.
forgot. Okay.
Now you ruined all my street cred, and now here I am. How much are the Tommy Bahama shirts?
$20.
$20 each.
Bobby, I know. I think they're so. Mom.
What's that?
Shirts are cool.
My husband was a Tommy Bahama
Some
addict.
addict, I can tell.
Oh yeah.
He has great taste.
I mean, most of them, like, been maybe one time and then dry cleaned.
Yeah,
you
yeah.
know, so they're like
This
new.
is that's a really cool piece.
Oh, I love that one. I know. And not them shirts. They were like 150.
I know.
You know.
Oh, I know.
Earlier, people wanted to give me $5. I said no.
Yeah.
I'll donate them to veterans.
Yeah, I got you. Your husband had a good eye.
Oh
Girl.
please, too good of an eye.
Too good of an eye. He had good taste in this stuff. So, how much is that? That one doesn't have a tag on.
20 for the
20.
Barbie? Yes.
It's really cool.
My sister bought
Ma'am, if I bought a
wiregrass.
if I bought a bunch of them, would you work at a like a bundle deal for if I bought a bunch of shirts?
This is all
At all?
I mean, I'm not gonna go much down,
Okay.
but I'm you know,
Just-
I'll work a little bit, but
Okay.
yeah, 'cause these
Like,
are really
you
nice.
know, I know they're nice shirts.
Yeah.
Yeah. What were you thinking? Like, if I bought like, what do you think? Like $15 a piece? If I bought,
Let's see, the
you had-
four would be 80. I mean, I would take maybe $10 off, like 70.
okay.
$15. All leather.
Cute.
Yeah.
This one is this one 5? Is that one 10 though too?
You could have them 5.
Okay, all right, I'll take that one then. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is where things get a little weird. So the lady was telling me how her husband passed away, he was really sick, and the gentleman there overheard that and started hitting on her in front of her children, and then wouldn't stop.
No, she's got 2 daughters over here. Hold on, no more men. No dogs, no more men. We're done.
Hands off the merchandise, sir.
says, "Can I get
I heard it. Hands off the merchandise.
Listen, I got my private bodyguard right here.
Hands off the merchandise.
Oh, I'm done.
As per her daughters, anyways, too.
Even if they had billions on it, I'm done. Nope.
You can't laugh, what can we do, right?
You're exactly right.
Ding, ding.
Ding, ding.
Okay, I got one for both, men and women.
Okay.
Why are all the blondes on top of the roof? Why tend to put drinks on the house?
The jokes didn't stop there. He then started telling jokes about blondes having sexual intercourse and other things, and I had to cut this part out of the video because it was inappropriate for YouTube. I'm not gonna lie, I think you just dodged the bullet.
What I do?
As he dodged the bullet with that.
Could you imagine? Oh, Madonna Mia. Oh my God.
His jokes just kept missing
Oh,
and
please. I
missing
walked
and
away.
missing.
I walked away.
You were stuck.
Yeah, I know.
You turn around. Everyone walked away. He sits there. He's telling jokes about women in front of 2 group of women. I was like, oh, I was like, this is gonna go really well or really bad.
Yeah.
I was like,
I know. I was
like,
didn't even get.
I was like, now I know why.
Out of the three.
Now I know why you're single, sir. I'm ready to cash out with you, man.
Nothing,
So.
nothing a little soap and water wouldn't help with either. Jeez.
Oh, here, I got this one too, man.
Yeah, 75, 85. 85.
You're the math major, Mom, not me.
1, 2. What's this one here?
There's two. I think there's 2 or 3 long sleeve button downs, and the rest are t-shirts.
Yeah. 85, 90, 95. 100. 100. And then we said 3 shirts for 70, right?
Oh, it was 4 shirts. I put one back though because I had a stain.
Oh
on
yeah,
it.
you have 4.
I only have 3, so.
Now I lost track.
This
What
is
is it,
100.
60. This is 100, so 150.
Okay.
So 50 for the 3 shirts. That's what I like to do.
Yeah.
Now you do it on
Wow.
Yeah, so I do
Marketplace
full.
or eBay or.
I have an eBay store. We don't count that. It should be 150.
Okay. Okay. 30, 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150. Yep. Thank you.
RJ, it was nice to see you.
Yeah,
Tell
nice to see
your
you guys.
beautiful wife I said hi.
I will.
He has the prettiest. I'm
Oh,
telling
yeah?
you. She's a
Well,
beauty.
he's pretty handsome. You should have a good
Thank you. Appreciate it, guys. You guys have a great day. Yep. We're not talking about that, remember? Yeah, that's right. That yard sale got a little wild there at the end. I went to baby shower and the people at the yard sale were actually sitting at my table. So we talked there for a while. Had no idea that was our house or that they were actually doing a yard sale. I randomly just came across them. As for that guy showed up. He started joking around, making some jokes. He was funny at first, but then he just couldn't stay out of his own lane. Let's just say that. And he just kept hitting on her. People started walking away because he just kept telling jokes, but he was telling blonde jokes to 4 ladies that were standing there. And they were getting dirtier and more inappropriate as it went on. And finally, they just started walking away. I think he got the clue and he finally left. It made for a very awkward moment, but a good laugh, I guess you can say. They were a good sport about it. I mean, they talked about it for about 10 minutes after he left. As for that first sale about me showing up in the dark, I've actually been to this yard sale multiple years in a row. I actually spoke to the lady earlier in the week and she told me to get there around 7, about an hour before they set up, because she has a ton of great stuff that I'm gonna want. Super cool with her. Her and her husband are so nice. They always have tons of vintage items, and a couple people got there before I did, unfortunately. I missed out on some of the really cool vintage items. I still walked away with a lot of great items. The cool thing is, though, she actually knows what I like. So she started pulling out all the vintage items for me and started bringing them over to me. It's like having my own personal shopper at the yard sale. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. We are about a little more than 500 subs away from hitting 20,000. I cannot believe it. So do me a huge favor. If I showed you guys any type of value, please make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, because I love to hit 20,000 here. And until next time, guys, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.